so this is just the graphic. Once you have this, you can select this section, change any of the colors, and just go to Edit, copy it, and Command Tab will put you into the animate. Again, this is just a 10-frame animation, nothing major, just to test it out. And when you go to Control Test, you'll see the animation moving to this part. So it's brought in as a symbol on the library and then edited onto itself. So if you ever wanted to edit this again, here's the symbol. If you double click on it, it shows you these two frames here. So using the period and the plus sign just shows that back and forth. Here you can see where it says Scene and Reel, which is the name of the symbol. So I'll just go to File, New, just to start it from scratch. Action Script 3 is good. And here's the timeline. So with the stage selected, I'll just pick a different color here, off color. And I've increased the size of the frames so you can see the timeline, and just right-click on it, insert a keyframe. So that's just showing the same image all the way across. So I'll go back down to the front. And just paste in what was on the pasteboard, and that's this symbol right here. So I'm just going to place that into the section there. And that's the image brought in from Illustrator. So I'm just going to convert it to a symbol. And I'll just call it purple. Real, and click OK. So now it's just sitting right on the stage, nothing happening to it. But I want it to be animated, and it's going to animate it within itself. So to do that, I'm just going to come over here and double click on it. And you'll see that it just has one frame, and it's in this reel kind of separated from the scene. So when you select it, it all moves, but I'm just going to keep it connected. And just click on the individual part when it's brought in, rotate it, and there you have two symbols. So what you have to do first is just to click on the frame next to it and insert a keyframe. Okay, so everything's the same. The only thing that's going to change is this part. Okay, so now you have this one and this one. And again, on the keystroke, there's keystrokes just to make it a little easier to navigate through everything. And then just come back out. Here's the image. Again, it's not moving, nothing's happening to it. But and you can't really see it with the motion because it's animated within the symbol, not on the timeline. So we'll just go to Control and Test, and it'll give you the little window that shows that jumping across, popping through there. So that's basically just the beginning. It's just a simple setup to it. I skipped a frame, so I didn't have that showing through that piece. That was what that was.